What's up, guys? Today we're just going to be giving you guys a quick rundown on how we install our G80 DTM style grill, basically how we get it in place and secure it into place. So once you have the OEM grill out, you're going to want to transfer the sensors, obviously. That's your first step. And then to get it in, you're going to want to go from the front. Preferably have two sets of hands. It's going to be a lot easier for you. Also, I like to use soapy water. Like to spray the tabs, it'll help it glide through a lot easier so it's not grinding on that paint. If there's any dirt buildup or anything like that, it kind of helps it slide through a lot easier. So basically I'm just gonna wet the tabs where the grill is gonna go through. Don't need a whole lot, but just enough to help it slide. And you're gonna wanna have someone go through the front, have another person on the back like I am, and then kind of guide these tabs through. And they should match up with the existing tabs that are on the inside of the bumper. You kind of want them to sit right on top of them. So as you can see, that soapy water really helped it go in. It needs to go in a little more right there. Give it a push. There you go. This one needs a little help. There we go. They should be sitting directly under the OEM plastic ones. Here are the OEMs on top, and then the carbon ones will be, just layered on top of it all the way around. Obviously check the front, make sure it's nice and flush. All right, so the way we like to secure it here is basically we use small self-tapping screws, and you're gonna go directly through the carbon tab into the plastic tab. So it makes a peg so it won't wiggle, or fall out. So there's a few on here that you can get to. You don't need every single one. You can't really get to every single one, but basically the ones that you can get a screw into, you're gonna wanna tap through the carbon like this. Directly into that plastic tab there. As you can see, it's coming through and it's nice and tight. I think, hopefully. Yeah. Alrighty, so the grill's fully installed into the bumper. As you can see, using that technique, the gaps are just like OEM. There is no light you can see through them. Those screws really clamp down on the plastic and make it perfect. And that technique with the soap, I highly recommend. It'll make it a lot easier for you to get in. It won't hang up on any of the paint, nothing like that, no scratches. So it's tightly secured. There's no wiggle at all. Those screws are really doing their job holding it into place.